Ready to unlock a secret weapon that can supercharge your Amazon FBA business and connect you with a thriving community? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of Amazon FBA Discord groups, your shortcut to insider knowledge, valuable resources, and a network of like-minded entrepreneurs. Let's get started. First, let's explore the most straightforward method: a simple Google search. Type Amazon FBA Discord groups into the search bar. Scan through the results, paying close attention to forum posts, blog articles, and directory websites that list active FBA communities on Discord. Next, tap into Discord directories. Websites like Discord or Discord are treasure troves for finding groups based on specific interests. Head over to one of these sites, use the search function to find Amazon FBA-related groups, and then browse through the options. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Engage in online FBA communities on platforms like Reddit or Facebook. Ask other sellers if they know of any active Discord groups and request and invite. Many groups are private and require an invitation to join. Another great approach is to check if your favorite Amazon FBA tools or services have their own Discord communities. Many of these platforms offer exclusive Discord groups for their users, providing direct access to support, training, and expert advice. Once you've found a group that interests you, introduce yourself, be active in discussions, and contribute valuable insights to build connections. By joining the right Discord groups, you can accelerate your FBA journey, gain a competitive edge, and connect with a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs. Now go out there and find your tribe.